What's up, my people? How you doing? I hope you are all doing well. If you wake up today, please be grateful. Thank God that you wake up today, because it's a miracle to go to bed and wake up the next day. Some people go to bed and never wake up. So if you are among the living, please thank God. And also, please, this is Not Bad Energy channel. If you are new here, you're just passing through, please do me a favor. Please subscribe to the channel, join the Not Bad Energy family, and help the channel to grow. Please do that. Thank you. This is natural. Nature bless this country with this beautiful waterfall. It's natural. And also, the second one, this is not natural. It's artificial, made by men. Wow. As I said, this is artificial. This second waterfall is artificial. I never knew, because this was my second time visiting this place. That's when I knew it was artificial. How I knew? As we're going around, there is one Korean guy came up to us and said, "Hello, how are you doing? Where are you from? All this, all that." Okay. So I told him, "Wow, this place is blessed with a waterfall, a natural waterfall. Same like back in my continent, have many like this. It's so beautiful. And you people came up to make a park around it." He was surprised when I say it's natural. He told me that, no, it's not natural. It's made, it's artificial, it's man-made. I said, "What?" He said, "Yes. It's man-made." So wow. I told him that this is my second time coming here, but I never knew it was artificial. I said, "No, it is artificial." I said, "Wow. Those men that came up with this idea, they are very brilliant." I said, wow. Yeah, it's beautiful. It was fun. I really had fun there with my friend. We went around the park. It's beautiful. So please, if you are living around this area, Ansan, because this place is located in Ansan, not far from the Ansan bus terminal. This park, not far from the Ansan bus terminal. You can come here with your family. As you see, people are there with their family. Have a good time. You can come here with a date and have a good time. Relax and chill. So please keep watching. Go through this video, like the video, comment and share. So please watch to the end.
Don't got no heart, I got an icebox. Brand new roller, swipe out the G-Shock. Moving slowly, I know the street hot. No more double, go ahead a detox. Came from the trenches, they ain't showing us no love. Tagging in the city, all we wanted was a hug, yeah. We on the block like every night to catch catch a buzz. Get the cash and take my family out the hood, that's a must. Was a hood baby with no soldiers. Bad past never left my mind, it's taking over. No, I should've died, that's why it's hard to stay sober. Glad to see the sun, but my heart getting colder. Life's so crazy, what we been through. When you die, the only time that they gon' miss you. Tell my mama no more tears, no more tissue. Ooh, just some hood baby with some issues. Hood baby.
To confirm that this waterfall was artificial, the guy told us to be patient and wait. In few hours, the water will stop falling, and it happens. The water stopped few hours. That's when I confirmed that it was artificial, because I was not believing. When they stop it, that's when I confirmed it was artificial, because a natural waterfall never stops. It falls throughout the year, throughout the day, throughout the week. So the year, sometimes they will stop the water. Wow, any artificial or not, this place is amazing. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. Wow. Thanks to the genius man that came up with this idea. Enjoyed it, please give a thumb to this video, like, comment and share. So see the two differences, the natural waterfall and the artificial waterfall. If you don't have it, you can make it. Same in life, you have to go for it, don't wait for it to come. So where I came from my continent Africa, there are many of these, many beautiful of these. So please, as I say, if you are new here, you're passing through, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so anytime nobody needs to even drop a video, YouTube will notify you. So please, if you haven't watched the last video I dropped about what happened in Itaewon on Saturday night at the Halloween festival, more than 150 people lost their lives and many injured. Please check here. And watch the video. So please, as I always say, one love, stay blessed and stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next video.